On July 5, videos surfaced showing suspected tornadoes in Doman County, Heze City, Shandong Province. A large number of strong convective cells triggered by a cold front in the southern North China Plain caused multiple tornadoes. Confirmed tornado reports have been filed in Doman, Zaozhuang, Yuncheng, and other locations. The tornadoes from Ding to Zaozhuang might be part of the same system and have caused significant damage in Ding and nearby areas. Doman and Heze in southern Shandong are also likely to experience aftershocks. According to news reports and comments, a tornado is suspected to have occurred in Ding, Shandong Province, this afternoon. Radar echographs showed a strong echo passing through Ding between 14 o'clock and 15 o'clock, including a purple echo around 14:15. However, confirmation of a tornado is still pending. The Shandong Zaozhuang Meteorological Office released an update stating that Ding County, Shandong Province, is suspected to have been hit by a tornado and advised residents to stay in sturdy buildings and prioritize safety. In Heze, Shandong, numerous sources reported a tornado in Doman County. Videos show the tornado moving rapidly, lifting large amounts of debris, and being accompanied by lightning. While there are no official reports of casualties, photos online depict injured individuals lying on the ground. Reports on July 5 indicated a tornado in Doman, Heze. Online videos display the tornado destroying vehicles, stripping tree bark, and tearing off the roofs and exterior walls of many houses. China weather enthusiasts noted that around 3 o'clock p.m., a strong supercell passed through Doman County, Shandong Province, and generated a powerful tornado. The tornado moved through densely populated areas in Doman County from west to east. Witnesses' videos show the tornado displacing vehicles, uprooting trees, and demolishing the roofs and exterior walls of large buildings. A reporter from Mandu contacted the County Meteorological Bureau about the incident. Staff confirmed that they are aware of the situation and that personnel have been dispatched to investigate. Around 2 o'clock p.m., the roof of a house was blown away. The Doman County Meteorological Station issued an orange thunder and lightning warning, indicating that Yu Road and Chenan Road in the county were affected by lightning activity, which is expected to continue in other cities and streets. The likelihood of lightning-related accidents remains high. China Weather Network's radar echo charts showed a strong echo passing through Dongying, Shandong, between 2 o'clock p.m. and 3 o'clock p.m. today, including a purple echo around 2:15 p.m. However, confirmation of a tornado is still required. Meteorologists noted that convection has become highly intense on the warm shear line in the Shandong-Henan area. An extraordinary scene appeared on the Qinghao radar, showing at least 6 or 7 supercells simultaneously. Shandong has 3 confirmed tornadoes, one of which is at least an EF3, causing high-voltage transmission towers to twist. Extreme winds of 34 meters per second occurred in Zaozhuang and Yuncheng, and short-term heavy rainfall of 80 millimeters was recorded in 1 hour in Shandong. Currently, 2 cup-shaped echoes are still reported on the radar, but no video footage of the tornadoes exists.
玻璃全没了，看只剩个阳台了，看见漆刮撒完了。
你看这刮的，刚刮的，顶都没了，电脑锅、电脑外边漏了。对面是，
你看我们这一刮的，龙卷风啊，刮了个稀混乱。你看房子都不大了，房子全部稀混乱了。你看。
Tornadoes are still present in southern Shandong as the system moves eastward. Shandong Province has issued an orange warning for severe convection. The recent tornado outbreak in Shandong Province underscores the unpredictable and devastating nature of extreme weather events. As the community bands together to support those affected, efforts to assess and repair the damage are underway. This incident highlights the importance of preparedness and the need for robust disaster response mechanisms. Continuous monitoring and prompt action by meteorologists and emergency services are crucial in safeguarding lives and property. The resilience and unity of the people of Shandong will play a vital role in overcoming this disaster and rebuilding their communities.
玻璃全没了，看只剩个阳台了，看见漆刮撒完了。
你看这刮的，刚刮的，顶都没了，电脑锅、电脑外边漏了。对面。